Hello, it's Markham Torch here from Markham 3D, and let me give you a bit of an update about what's been going on. So, I've been now releasing 5 videos a week, and funnily enough, the view count has gone down by about 20%. That's slightly annoying, because I'm putting more effort into it, but, oh well, what are you going to do? I'm going to try this for 3 months with the 5 videos a week. Maybe I might even go up to 7, but that's a tall order there. What else? I'm working on the VR game at the moment, and I'll give you a quick viewershipness of what it looks like at the moment, and we'll go over to it now. So far only the first one level has been created, and this is the main engine created by Andrew Hodgkinson, who's from ILM. So obviously he's worked on Star Wars, and you can see that I'm just picking up stuff, and I've already got it set up so it only fits in one particular spot. Same as the yellow one. And then these these 3 blue ones. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm getting stuff working. That's the most important thing. Obviously, adding the puzzles here. So I'm a little bit too close to my screens here. That's why I'm trying to struggle to reach. I'm in a very small room. But, yeah, that's pretty much what the game looks like. And we'll go from there. So the game's going really well. I really like how it's going. The interactions are quite nice. I think I can make it work, which is really good. Really nice. I'm really happy with it. The 3D printing stuff, I'm making some cool stuff. I'm making some fun stuff, but nobody really cares. Going through my analytics, 88% of people who view my channel aren't subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, because obviously, hopefully, you want to come back and see more of this. And the channel's a bit of a sausage fest at 99.6% male. Anyway, so at the moment as well, I've now got NBN here in Australia as of last Friday. And so now I'm actually able to stream. So check me out on twitch.tv/Markham3D, I believe it is. You might see me there streaming every once in a while. At the moment, I don't have a regular regular time that I do it. But that might be coming soon, because at the moment I just jump on and do modeling, and I'm doing a lot of it on the game at the moment. So if you want to come in and ask some questions, that'd be great. And yeah, thanks very much. Please make sure you like and subscribe the video. And yeah, thank you very much.